like a burden, but once I could grasp it, you took me further, further than I was asking.